Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience today. I'm here with my blue Hoover convertible upright, the Hoover Convertible Elite upright. I think this vacuum cleaner was made in the late 70s or early 80s brand. And also, what I'm going to be doing today, I bought this vacuum cleaner back in November, and I knew this is a really good machine to use, and I always wanted to have older Hoovers for my whole life. I love older Hoovers. I really do. This is the best one I ever used, and I actually did fix the belt and put a new bag in there. I actually cleaned it out and with the shot vac, and I did clean out the bag system on the shot vac, and I ended up using my little red shot vac to clean up all that dirt inside of it. And I put a new bag. I put a Singer bag in there. And for the record, I love using these machines because they're powerful, and I love collecting old Hoovers because if I ever find one like this, it will cross my path to find one of these. And also, here we go. Also, I'm going to run it for you guys, okay? These machines are mostly been quieter, and I love them a lot. And also, but anyway, I'm going to run it for you guys, okay? Yeah, I believe that this machine works. You know, it has a weird sound to it. Well, everybody, this machine needs a new brush roll. And I'll switch the brush rolls out of there from the other vacuum cleaner, and I think this brush roll is in brand new condition, and I might end up fixing this. And it needs to be serviced, everybody. Well, everybody, the vacuum cleaner needs some brush roll changes. I might take the other brush roll, take it out from the other one, and put this one on there as well. But anyway, I will see you in the next video. I will let you know in advance, okay? Bye.